everyone. I'm Sam Bright, and I lead the Play and Developer ecosystem teams. We got a really full agenda today, as Ben previewed for you. But before we kick things off, I just want to say, whether this is your first time or your 10th time, thank you so much for being here. Your creativity and incredible work is why this ecosystem is thriving. And together, we're making a difference for billions of people around the world. You know, our goal is to be the platform delivering the highest return on your investment. We're trying to achieve this in two ways: by lowering your development costs and by maximizing your business results with Play. Today, we're going to unveil exciting updates and show how we're delivering on that commitment. We're doing this by simplifying your development with the power of Android and AI. See, I didn't get as far into my presentation without AI. You knew it was going to come. Redefining discovery and engagement for app businesses, and reimagining the gaming experience. All of this to help you level up your business results. So let's start with Android. We're helping you build better user experiences powered by AI with both on-device solutions like Gemini Nano and cloud models like Nano Banana and Imagine. We're helping simplify your development across form factors, including for the latest devices in the XR space, including, I believe a few hours ago, Galaxy XR that was announced. And we're making your teams more productive by integrating AI directly into their workflow with tools like Gemini and Android Studio. You know, building an app or game is really only half the battle. You also need to be able to reach and retain a massive audience. For billions of people, Google Play is an important gateway to discovering apps and games. To connect users more seamlessly to the kind of content that matters to them, we're always thinking about and rediscovering and redefining what discovery means on Play. Over the past year, we've launched new experiences that proactively bring people their favorite content and their favorite apps and games, rather than them having to search for it. This approach has led to really increased engagement across the store. Last year, we launched curated spaces to celebrate seasonal interests, like football in Brazil or cricket in India, and evergreen interests like comics in Japan. These spaces immediately drove engagement, with our comic space alone now serving nearly 1 million users who have built a habit of returning monthly to preview manga and webtoon titles and be able to connect with fellow fans. As a result, we've expanded this discovery strategy to other high-value areas, including how people find and watch content. Earlier this year, we expanded our Where to Watch feature to more markets, including the UK, Korea, Indonesia, and Mexico, making it easier for people to find and deep link directly into their subscribed apps for movies and TV. Since launching in the US last November, we've seen users who view app content through this feature increase their content search activity by 30%. But of course, not every moment is a discovery moment. When users already know what they want, they turn to search. So with our recently launched guided search capabilities, a user can now simply type in a broad goal, like plan a trip. Our AI then understands that intent and instantly organizes relevant apps into actionable categories, such as finding a place to stay, to help users find the right app. Once a user has found a potential app and game, we then help them find the right information to be able to download an app that meets their needs. We enhanced your store listings, giving you the ability to showcase more visuals and your own YouTube videos to help users determine if an app meets their needs and for you to get more mileage out of the content that you've already created. You know, switching gears to games, I'm excited to share how we're imagining the entire gaming experience for the community. This is a really big priority for us. We have over 2 billion gamers coming to Play each month. And our commitment is to work with you in building the best and most rewarding place for gamers to play seamlessly across devices. Today, Play is home to an expansive catalog powered by your incredible games. We continue to expand that selection, making over 300,000 titles available across both mobile and PC. This expansion includes major PC native hits, like the recent edition Mekka Break, and fan favorites now available on mobile, such as Disco Elysium, Subnautica, and Enter the Gungeon. As a result of our focus on cross-device play, we're really excited to share that Google Play Games on PC has officially graduated out of beta to general availability just last month. Woohoo! And why is this important? Because we want users to be able to connect with you, your content, your games, regardless on what device that they're particularly close to at the moment. So to help provide players with an even more compelling gaming experience, we focused our efforts on deeper engagement and more exciting rewards. With over 300 million members, Google Play Points is already one of the world's largest reward programs. And we continue to partner with some of the hottest events and titles in gaming and entertainment to unlock exclusive money-can't-buy rewards for your most valuable players. This includes unique events that we delivered this year, like our Diamond District experience and Roblox, our Fantastic Four Rewards Lab at San Diego Comic-Con, and our recent rewards tour at the Austin City Limits Music Festival. We've also expanded our highly successful minigame Diamond Valley to the UK, offering exclusive early access specifically to our PlayPoints Gold Plus members. Our collective efforts all build toward one goal: ensuring that Play is the best platform for your app and games businesses. A core part of this means ensuring there's a solid foundation for your revenue growth. Our top monetization focus is on helping more people become purchase-ready buyers by minimizing and removing friction at every stage of the purchase funnel. We're continually investing in updates to ensure users are ready to pay before they even enter your app or game. So for example, we've integrated biometrics consent during Android device setup. We also deploy proactive reminders in highly visible areas, like the Play account menu, to prompt users to set up payment information ahead of time. And when a buyer is making a purchase, our AI models trained on literally billions of transactions suggest the most relevant payment method at the right time. Even after a user navigates away from their cart, our reminders gently nudge users to complete their intended purchase, helping you recapture potential lost revenue. These efforts, among others, have fueled incredible growth, bringing the total number of purchase-ready users on Google Play to over 800 million. This translates into tangible benefits for you. Global conversion rates are up by 3% this year. And in 2025, Play has seen an increase of 7% in new paying users. What does this mean for you? Well, that is spend that users are now paying and spending in your apps and games. It means we're serving up users who are primed to purchase your content and pay for the experiences you create, and therefore invest in your business. Our commitment to your success also includes better reporting and insights so you can see how things are going, be able to test, and make course corrections along the way. This is part of how we can help you maximize your ROI for building for Android and investing in Play. That's why we've streamlined reporting with new dedicated overview pages in Play Console, giving you actionable, objective, related metrics and contextual advice centered around your core business goals. And to accelerate your analysis, we're bringing the power of AI, see, there it is again, directly into your data. You can now use Gemini on the statistics page in Play Console, which helps you generate chart descriptions, helping your teams quickly understand complex trends and events affecting your metrics. And last but not least, to thrive and grow in this ecosystem, you need a solid foundation of trust. That's why we're committed to making Play the safest and most trusted place for you to run your business. The Play Integrity API helps safeguard your business by detecting a wide range of threats to your app, from code tampering to cheating. Now, we're introducing new in-app remediation prompts. Your app can simply display a prompt, and Play automatically handles a wide range of issues to guide your users back to a good state to enjoy your app. We've also significantly strengthened our automatic protection. You can now opt into a new certified device check for stronger anti-tamper protection. This guards your apps against risky devices and unauthorized access with zero engineering work required from you. Our anti-fraud efforts are also safeguarding your revenue. To ensure your business models remain profitable, we're announcing new features that deliver even stronger protection. We continue to refine our pricing arbitrage protections, automatically detecting and blocking abusive purchases that exploit regional price differences. For limited availability content, we're offering you more precise control with payment location restrictions in Play Console. And we've enhanced protection against free trial and intro pricing abuse for subscriptions, so you can safely provide more attractive offers to drive user acquisition. Together, all these protections deliver tangible results. Apps using Play's integrity features see 80% less unauthorized usage on average. And our anti-fraud efforts are safeguarding your revenue. We protected top apps using Google Play billing from $2.9 billion in attempted fraud and abuse in the last year. We're excited about what we can build together. And we'll be sharing even more, both on this stage and across tracks over the day, about what we're doing to support your success on Play. The foundation for your business is strong. Thank you for your partnership. And now let's dive into the tools that help you build it. To share more about our latest Android investments for your app and game businesses, please welcome Matthew to the stage.
We're in this important moment where AI changes everything, from how we work to the expectations that users have for their apps. The goal for me and my team, some of who are in the audience, is to transform this AI evolution into opportunity for you and your users. And as Sam mentioned, we want to deliver the highest return on investment in building for the Android platform. Android is built with AI at its very core, and there are two ways that we're bringing this to you. First, by enabling you to unlock amazing new experiences in your apps, powered by Google's AI. And second, by making you more productive through embedding AI deeply into our developer tools. When building AI-powered experiences on Android, you can use AI models on device or in the cloud. For flagship Android devices, we offer efficient on-device models and options like Gemini Nano, where the user's data never leaves their device. This also means there are no inference costs. At I/O this May, we launched our on-device Gen AI APIs using the Gemini Nano model. And it makes common tasks easier. It has simple APIs for tasks like summarization and proofreading and image description. Today, we're excited to now give you the full flexibility to shape the output of the Gemini Nano model. You can pass in any prompt you can imagine with the new Prompt API. It currently supports image and text inputs, so you can easily build innovative features for your app, like image understanding, content sentiment analysis, and even creative writing assistance. Our Korean transportation partner, Kakao Mobility, already used the Prompt API to solve two different business challenges. They transformed their parcel delivery service, replacing a slow manual process where users had to copy and paste details into a form. Now, users can simply request a delivery in a message, and the API automatically extracts all the necessary information. This single feature reduced order completion time by 24%, and it boosted new user conversion by an incredible 45%. Now, to address privacy concerns with personal mobility devices, they use the API's multimodal power to analyze user-submitted parking photos entirely on device. And they did so as they provided real-time guidance on how to park. This ensures user privacy and predictable response times free from any network latency at all. And speaking of model innovation, the excitement for models like Nano Banana and Imogen have been incredible. We're unlocking new opportunities for you to build amazing new image editing features. And we're bringing these cutting-edge capabilities to the entire fleet of Android devices using cloud-based AI solutions with Firebase AI logic. Users can now generate images and edit images using Nano Banana. And then for finer control, like selecting and transforming specific parts of an image, users can use the new mask-based editing features that leverage the Imogen model. Next, an excellent app looks good across all the devices that a user owns. They want these intelligent experiences to work across all of their devices, not just their phones. And in response, Jetpack Compose helps you bring your app to a range of different screen sizes. If you're building adaptively, you've already unlocked an additional 500 million devices across foldable, tablet, car, and laptop form factors. But this isn't just about reach. It's about value. We see that users who own a phone and a large screen device spend 9 times more than users who just own a phone. But further, foldable users spend an incredible 14 times more on average compared to phone-only users. Today, we launched the first of a new wave of Android XR devices, starting with the Galaxy XR in partnership with Samsung. These are devices built entirely in the Gemini era, making Android XR a new revolutionary platform opportunity for your app. And because Android XR is built on top of familiar Android frameworks, when building adaptively, you're already building for XR. To unlock the full potential of Android XR features, you can use the Jetpack XR SDK. An example of this is Adobe's new Project Pulsar app. Their team, new to Compose, used it to accelerate development, which allowed them to focus their energy on building a unique spatial editing experience. We're investing even more in making it easier to build adaptively with 2 new releases to show for it. The new Jetpack Navigation 3 library is a cornerstone of this adaptive strategy. We rebuilt it from the ground up with Compose. Out of the box, it's already fully customizable, has advanced animation support, and is fully adaptive. It easily allows multiple pieces of navigable content to be displayed on the screen at the same time. And to make sure you have all the resources you need to go from inspiration to design and then on to development, we released a new adaptive Figma template to give your designers a productivity boost. So now that we've explained how we're helping you build excellent applications within your app, let's talk about how we're infusing AI across our tooling to help your developers be more productive. We want Android Studio to have the most knowledgeable and helpful AI for Android development. With our recent launch of Agent Mode, you can describe a complex goal in natural language, and then under your direction, the agent plans and executes changes on multiple files across your project. And since we want to make it easier to solve complex tasks unique to Android developers, the agent's answers are now grounded in the most modern development practices. Now the agent can even cross-reference our latest documentation in real time. This is all evidence we're truly at a step change in productivity and creativity. Hundreds of thousands of developers are using Gemini and Android Studio every month, and it's yielding incredible productivity gains. But you know what? Don't take my word for it. Developers like Pocket FM have shared that they are seeing an impressive time savings of 50% for their development teams after leveraging our latest innovations. Productivity isn't one size fits all, though. Your company may require the use of a local, private, or even third-party AI model. And that's why we're now giving you the flexibility to bring any model of your choice to Android Studio's agentic AI features. With more code being written by AI, we want to ensure that the Android code generated is of the highest quality, too. To help developers increase productivity, we want LLM makers to build models that know about Android development specifically. So I wanted to share a sneak preview of a new benchmark project that we're working on. We've outlined a set of tasks, real-world tasks that developers do on a regular basis, like working with a database or building a new screen. And we've started testing LLMs against those tasks, and we'll be sharing the results of that benchmark soon, so you can see how these LLMs performed and then replicate and audit the results yourself. So far, we've already found that while AI is helping in a number of key Android development tasks, there's still work to be done. We're excited to help push the entire industry forward and work directly with LLM makers so that you have a range of options that are highly effective in your Android developer workflow. Everything I've covered today is a direct reflection of the commitment that we made at the start of today's presentation to help you build excellent apps across devices and to help make you more productive with powerful integrated AI. Come find us at the demo booth and join us at the upcoming talks in the green stage, where we're going to go a lot deeper into Android developer tools and techniques. And now, I'd like to introduce my colleague Mekka to help share how we're helping Android developers maximize their business results on Google Play. Welcome, Mekka.
With AI infused into the Android tools at your fingertips, you have the power to build incredible experiences across every device faster than ever before. Now, our focus shifts to making sure your hard work pays off. We see the incredible work that goes into your apps, the heart, the time, the soul that you pour into the experiences that you create. And our mission at Google Play is simple: to make sure that passion finds its audience. Last year, we shared our vision to evolve Play into the ultimate destination for discovery of your apps and their content. Today, I'd like to share an update with you on how we're delivering on our ambitions and the success that it is driving for your businesses. And then I'd like to share some examples of how some of you are converting this increased user activity into revenue growth on our commerce platform. So let's dive in. We start with a reimagined Apps Home. Apps Home now brings content relevant to people's interests front and center, with experiences like curated spaces and trending topics like TV, movies, and sports. Apps Home is now even more vibrant, showcasing your content through more immersive and premium formats like audio samples and video. Earlier, Sam highlighted the success of delivering locally relevant experiences right on Apps Home. And we saw highly engaged fans returning monthly to explore each space, making us a part of their routine. Building on the success of our cricket and comic spaces, I'd like to introduce you to our newest space in Korea, launched just last month. This new entertainment-dedicated space puts the best short-form content from movies and TV shows to comics and dramas right at users' fingertips. It also gives fans an inside track into what's trending and access to exclusive editorial content. The appetite for engaging, bite-sized content in markets like Korea is immense. In fact, short-form content is the most highly consumed media format on mobile devices. That's why short-form dramas are a key part of this new experience. These serialized stories allow users to enjoy samples of the content directly in the new space before guiding them into your app experiences. And with the early successes of this space in Korea and the continued success of comics in Japan, I'm excited to share that users in the US will now start seeing sample content like webcomics and short-form dramas directly on their app's home. I'm also excited to share our brand new immersive placement at the top of Apps Home, which we call Spotlight. Starting this month, users worldwide will see timely, seasonal topics in a new immersive way. Spotlight will curate topics tailored to users' interests and feature content from cultural moments. For example, this autumn alone, users may have seen a spotlight on the WNBA playoffs, Halloween, or Chuseok in Korea. And some of you joined in on the recent global launch of Taylor Swift's new album, The Life of a Showgirl. I know I'm not the only Taylor Swift fan in here. I know I'm not. Features like Spotlight and curated spaces provide an immersive experience around entertainment and zeitgeist moments, helping people truly connect with what they love and bringing them back to the store again and again. And of course, as more people regularly visit Play to explore their favorite topics, we unlock more opportunities to drive discovery, engagement, and monetization for your apps and content. The results are already here, with year-over-year metrics showing an 18% increase in average monthly visitors on Apps Home, a 9% increase in acquisitions, and most importantly, a double-digit growth in app spend for those monetizing on Play. We see the immense success this high level of personalized discovery is driving for your apps. But to truly maximize sustained engagement, we realize every user needs a dedicated space tailored just for them. A space that makes it easier for them to discover and re-engage with content from their favorite apps and games. So last month, we launched a brand new destination on the Play Store. And for those that missed it, I'd like to introduce you to U-Tab. U-Tab truly makes Play personalized to each individual user. It is a home base with curated content, including game rewards, subscriptions, recommendations, stats, and updates. And for apps integrated with Engage SDK, this further increases your content's reach, enabling re-engagement across another surface. In U-Tab, Engage SDK allows users to pick up right where they left off within their favorite apps, like resuming a playlist or continuing watching a movie. Or it also lets them discover something new with personalized recommendations, all while seamlessly guiding them back to the relevant in-app experiences. To start taking full advantage of U-Tab and all its potential, express your interest in the Engage SDK developer preview today. You can learn more about supported surfaces, content categories, and eligibility by going to the link shown here. And here's the best part. If you've already integrated with Engage SDK, like many of our app partners featured here, you're all set. There is nothing extra you have to do. This was just a quick look at UTab for apps. For a deeper dive into the massive potential it unlocks, especially for games developers, Tom will come to the stage shortly to share the details. So hold that thought. We're going to talk a little bit about discovery. Discovery and engagement is constantly changing. And at Play, we're evolving right along with it. From creating more engaging experiences to building a new dedicated tab around the user, our mission is clear: to help people truly connect with your apps and content. We are proactively bringing people more of what they love, but also recognize that discovery and app engagement is at the forefront of an enormous shift. Looking ahead, we expect users will use artificial intelligence and AI agents to get what they need on demand as a new way to interact with your app. We want to ensure the content, solutions, and experiences your apps provide are part of that agentic journey. We're starting to work with a select group of partners on an early MVP designed to enable users to connect with your apps through new, intelligent experiences. We can't wait to share more. In the meantime, know that we are relentlessly focused on empowering your apps to build even deeper relationships with users in the AI era. You can expect to hear much more about this, so stay tuned. And if you'd like to build with us, and you'd like your app to be one of the early testers, please find me after this session or reach out directly to your partner managers to express interest. Okay, we've covered how we're redefining discovery and driving highly engaged users back to your apps and content. Now let's talk about converting that user activity into revenue growth. This success starts with our robust commerce platform, and our commitment to improving it is driven by your feedback. Every success story helps us refine our tools, creating a flywheel of improvement that benefits every single developer in the Play ecosystem. I'd like to showcase a few features and recent partner stories demonstrating this success. Let's start with subscriptions. For many of you, recurring revenue through subscriptions is a critical part of your monetization strategy. With over 400 million paid subscriptions, Google Play is the best place to build and grow your subscriber base and maximize their lifetime value. A great example of our recent investment here is the new subscriptions with add-ons, which makes it simple for you to offer more value to your existing subscribers. Partners like Spotify already are using this to create new offers for their premium subscribers. Their VP of Commerce says this feature allows them to combine subscriptions and add-ons into a unified recurring plan, which significantly improves the experience. Beyond subscriptions, we are constantly improving and optimizing the entire buy flow for every type of transaction. We partnered with TikTok for over a year to analyze and fine-tune every step of the purchase process. Through deep experiments, from machine learning-powered payment ranking to improved post-purchase handling, we drove a 6% global conversion uplift. The best part is, these improvements to our buy flow are now being rolled out as platform-wide improvements that benefit everyone. So just to recap, we've shown you how surfacing your content on Play can widen the top of the funnel, getting users to come back to your app again and again. We also touched on improvements to our purchase flow that are helping you take advantage of that increased engagement. We've only scratched the surface this morning, So please find us at the demo booths and join the deep dives on apps discovery and monetization later. I told you I would let you know a little bit more about games, so now please welcome Tom to the stage to tell you more about games. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It is great to be here. I'm Tom, and I'm representing the games team. Last year, at Playtime, in fact, we shared our commitment to make Google Play the best place to grow your games. Building on this foundation, I'm thrilled to share today how we're reimagining Google Play games. Because deep down, we truly believe that delivering a world-class player experience is the most powerful way for us to grow your business. I've been coming to Playtime for over a decade. I started as a developer, sitting, in fact, where all of you are now, and then at some point, I became a Googler, so I stand here telling you about all the things that we're building to help your businesses thrive. When I look back over those 10 years, I don't think I've been in a Playtime which has followed such a huge change to Google Play as we announced last month. For players, we unveiled a unified experience with Google Play games. And for developers, for all of you, we introduced the Level Up program. It's our new framework for rewarding high-quality games and driving stronger business results. We're really excited about these launches. So first, let's take a quick look at what those launches look like. So let's roll the video.
If you give a gamer a game, they're gonna want to play it. If they play it, they might like it. If they like it, they'll want to play other games they like too. So you'll build them a place to discover more cool games. More than that. Yeah, a whole lot. That's perfect. But then they'll want to play those games anywhere and everywhere, like here, here, here. And here! So you'll let them play seamlessly across their phone, tablet, laptop, this thing. And they need one of those. And if they can play the way they want, where they want, they'll want somewhere to keep tabs on everything they love in one place. So you'll give it to them.
Oh my gosh, it's everything in one place?
And you'll call it UTAB, a home base that gets how they play and brings them even closer to the stuff they love. From audiobooks they'll want to binge, to the latest eats that absolutely slap. Oh, and of course, you'll be a little extra and let them track all their play across all their games there too, with one profile to rule them all. Whoa. And if you give them a UTAB with a souped-up profile, they're gonna want to challenge their friends and make new ones too. Maybe even join a league. And if they start moving up the ranks, they're gonna want to see just how much butt they're actually kicking without stopping the game. So you'll give them Sidekick, a trusty new in-game overlay that lets them go live with Gemini, with helpful info and the tips they want right where they need them. But if you give them a Sidekick, they're gonna want to use it to help beat this guy. Gemini, how do I beat this guy?
Use a breaker hunter to reduce the breaker gauge.
Pretty cool, huh? Once they slay the boss and rack up more play points, they'll realize they might be built different and want to be rewarded. And like only you can, you'll hook them up with must-have rewards and next-level experiences. So if you give a gamer all the games, a Sidekick with Gemini to call on whenever, and a UTAB to track everything, then they're gonna wanna go play.
As I said, we're pretty excited. We've made the major investment here because we all share a common goal, and that's to create incredible gaming experiences for our players. But at the moment, the gaming experience as a whole is just hugely fragmented. Players discover games in one place, they play them somewhere else, they search for help all over the web, and then they connect with their community in different places as well. This fragmentation, this siloing, it creates friction for players and loads of missed opportunities for you. We really want to work together to make this entire experience so much better. Our latest launches are major steps in unifying the gaming experience from discovery to gameplay to celebration and being rewarded. It's your creativity and it's your content that can make these new seamless experiences and journeys truly special for your players. And it is genuinely our commitment to you that when we work together to achieve this, the platform will deliver meaningful business results for you. The new Google Play Games creates a unified journey across products, devices, and surfaces. And that includes two brand new areas, the U tab and the Play Game Sidekick. As Mekka mentioned, the U tab is a new personalized hub right in the Play Store where players can find their very own gamer profile, rewards, updates from recently played games, all in one dedicated space. I'm excited to share that UTab is already being used by over 100 million users, in fact, as of today, the better part of 200 million users, across 36 countries. And the new gamer profile is available worldwide. For you, I think you can think of UTab as evergreen featuring for people who've recently played your game, and coming very soon, those who've recently lapsed from it too. It's specifically designed as a highly engaging surface and key to engage, retain, and win back your players. We already love how Roblox is demonstrating the power of UTab. They're re-engaging players by curating a dynamic hub of compelling content. It includes everything from game achievements to promotional content, YouTube videos, and play points, coupons, and offers. The content tools that they use to create their presence is now available to all game developers. So promotional content, YouTube video listings, and play points coupons are available to every game developer today. I'm really excited to say that we've opened up play points. Now, any game developer can configure coupons to unlock the hundreds of millions of store credit that our 300 million members have to spend in your game. Moving on, the second new surface is Sidekick. Sidekick is a helpful in-game overlay. It's designed specifically to keep your players in your game by making everything they want and need a single swipe away, just when they want it. From converting points to spend directly in your game, to checking out what achievement they want to go after next, Sidekick is there. It's currently in EAP with 10 partners as we work to enhance its performance based on developer feedback. Sidekick gives continuity across gamers' journeys. For example, a key reason people leave your game is to find help. If we think about the gamer journey, someone needs to go through all of these steps just to get a tip or two in a moment that they're stuck. And while they're doing all of this, the entire internet and every single app on their phone is competing for their attention. All of this leads to churn out of your game. So, we're bringing the full power of Gemini Live to Sidekick. By enhancing it with Gemini's AI, it becomes your player's ultimate gaming companion. It's ready to proactively offer tips, provide advice, and even have a discussion about the best use of strategy. In case all of you were keeping count, that's 5 for 5 mentioning AI. The team behind the Battle of Polytopia are a fantastic early partner for Sidekick. They're already showcasing the full potential of Gemini with contextual help and advice right when players need it. This is where you should all get out your phones, because we're looking for more and more games to help try out Sidekick and Gemini Live in games. So, if you're interested, you can sign up to the early access program today using this handy link. Now, this is just the beginning for what we're doing with the gaming platform. We've got a full roadmap ahead to strengthen it, especially in the space of social interaction and unifying that gaming journey. Leagues is one of the new ways that we're driving repeat engagement with social competition rewarded and backed up with play points. Earlier this month, we launched the very first league with our partner, Subway Surfers. It's got a prize pool of over 200 million play points, which, combined with the excitement of live leaderboards and amplified by prominent marketing across play, really drives repeat usage. Following this huge success, we're going to be opening up leagues for more games very soon, so watch this space. Looking further ahead, we're building even more into the platform for social discovery. This includes social feeds so players can see what their friends are playing, streak updates so they can help celebrate and share their progress, and even more. All of these features create a more vibrant, more connected ecosystem. And frankly, we can't wait to see how you all leverage them to grow your communities, drive your discovery, and increase your engagement. Now, I know that we've already covered a lot. But as a developer, if you only remember one thing from today, it's the key to unlocking the business results from the new platform. And the way that you do that is with the Level Up program. Google Play Games Level Up is the all-in-one toolkit designed to provide clear guidance and create a high-quality experience that players love. Games that do this unlock powerful new support and benefits. So, just as you level up the gamer experience, Play levels up the support you get. You kind of see what we did there with the name, right? Now, let's take a quick look at the benefits of being part of Level Up, and then we'll take a look at the guidelines as well. So the first benefit, if you level up your game, you get access to the U tab. You get that evergreen featuring to engage, reach, and re-engage your players. And it comes with a suite of simple tools to publish events, offers, YouTube videos, play points, and more. Second benefit, you'll get more promotion and featuring opportunities to maximize your reach across Play. It opens up eligibility to be prioritized on prominent boosters across the store, make it easier for players to discover and engage with your title. That's for both new players and existing. And the third benefit, you'll get even more tools to understand and optimize your performance. Next year, we're launching advanced reporting in Play Console to help you understand the holistic impact of all the campaigns you run with Level Up to understand how they impact your acquisition and monetization. Now, all of these benefits and more are designed to recognize and reward games that provide a leveled up experience for players. To make it transparent about what we mean by a leveled up experience, we're introducing user experience guidelines, which also come with milestone dates. I'm going to skip through them quickly. First off, gamers love to be recognized and rewarded. I'm sure we all understand this. So, Play Game Services achievements are a powerful tool for celebrating progression both in and out of your game. The first Level Up guideline is simply a minimum of 10 high-quality Play Game Services achievements. Second, gamers really want access to those, right? They want access to the achievements, to quests, to tips. They want to get the most out of your game and the most out of the gaming platform. So the next guideline is to include Sidekick. For most games, this will be a simple one-click process in Play Console, and it will launch early next year. You'll be able to really easily test it. Both of these first two guidelines have a key milestone to reach of July 2026. Next, the modern player expects to play across multiple devices without missing a beat, whether it is upgrading to a new phone or jumping to their tablet. For you, this means enabling cloud save, because no one wants to lose their progress. You can use any cloud save provider that you want. It could be a third party, it could be yours, it could be PGS or Firebase. I honestly don't mind. Cloud save allows gamers to seamlessly restore across any Android device. Secondly is using Play game services to seamlessly sync your game accounts across Android devices. This is what adds the magic to when you suddenly start up and you're instantly recognized. The milestone for Cloud Save and Seamless Restore is November 2026. Now, when gamers love your game, and I've seen the data, they really, really love your games, they want to be able to play them on the devices they love. Now, that could be mobile, tablet, laptop, PC, XR. You can enable gamers to do this by adding mouse, keyboard, and controller support. This maximizes your reach through Google Play Games, especially on PC. We strongly recommend that you do this because it ensures that your game reaches the widest possible audience and leverages the love that your gamers feel. So the best part about Level Up today is it's open to all games. All of the benefits I just listed, Playtab, content publishing tools, PlayPoints coupons, all the things we spoke through, are accessible directly from the Play console. Taking a step back, I can talk for everyone at Play when I say that we are genuinely inspired by the incredible games that all of you make, reaching over 2 billion gamers worldwide on Play. That inspiration is the thing that makes us so invested. It's what drives us to so deeply reimagine and strengthen the gaming experience, and to make sure we do it to try to drive success for every single developer. So, on behalf of the team, thank you so much for your partnership and trust as we embark on this new journey to create the next level gaming experience on Play.